Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set the input settings on the Adobe Fresco application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, you should click on this icon that you can find at your home page. So first of all, tap on the home button down below and click on this profile icon in the upper right corner. Then tap on input, and here you can find the touch and brushes settings. So you can disable, undo and redo gesture by tapping on this button. In the right side, you can turn on the long press for eyedropper section. You can set the duration by the help of this slide. You can turn on the slap line, and the touch shortcut settings can be added too. You can also show touches, and if you click on the brushes section, you can turn off and on the brush preview functions. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.